Meaning of debatable.
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 Debatable. The word debatable refers to something that is open to discussion or debate, and is not completely settled or accepted as true. It implies that there are differing opinions about the subject in question. The term is often used to describe issues that are controversial or contentious, and where there is no clear consensus among experts or the general public. In short, when something is debatable, it means that there is room for dispute, disagreement or uncertainty about the matter at hand.